Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to change language in Google Maps. So let's get into it. First of all, find the Google Maps app on your phone and tap on the icon to launch it. Once Google Maps opens up on the screen, tap on the profile icon from the top right corner to open a new menu. In this menu, select Settings. Scroll down to find the navigation settings and open it. In the sound and voice section, tap on the voice selection. You can see the suggested voice languages or other voices. Choose any language from this list that you want to use. Once you have set the language, tap on Play Test Sound.
This is what it will sound like when navigating with Google Maps.
And that's it. This is how you can change the language in Google Maps. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.